Welcome to Computex 2018. I'm Zach Chen. Now I'm standing in the booth of Litemax Electronics. DuraPixel are most popular series among the Litemax high brightness LCD product lines, which are especially designed for industrial application and rugged environments. To meet a variety of requirements and projects, Litemax provides over 200 models for our customers. To have a superior display performance image experience under strong sunlight, our DuraPixel LCD display features high brightness. Thanks to Litemax wide temperature adaptation technology, most of the DuraPixel LCD panel can be operated from -20 to +70 Celsius degree. Moreover, pursuant to our tests, the light period of our LCD backlight could be up to 100,000 hours, despite outperforming our competitor in high brightness. Litemax DuraPixel products comes with lower electrical power than peering others. So please come and send your request to us. You will find your best choice in Litemax Electronics.